Mike says, which is more beneficial for dirt oval racing, torque or horsepower?
Torque, 1,000%. Main reason, this is 602s or 604s. Main reason to me on torque, I don't give two shits about horsepower. I mean, I've never seen any crate customer of mine win a race because of horsepower. They all win it because of torque. Reason being is the more torque you can produce, the more gear you can pull out of the car. The more gear you can pull out of the car, the faster your mile an hour is at the end of the straightaway. And to me, it's all about torque.
And with torque too, doesn't that allow you to get off the corner faster?
Correct.
Or better.
And I'll give a example.
Great.
So back in the day when I was doing all Jonathan Davenport's 602s, and I rented him and Barry Wright when they were together, I rented them. Jonathan won every 10,000 to win race there was in the entire nation in late models with a 604 that year. And they were all my motors.
Mm-hmm.
And he had one engine that produced 380 horsepower, but it made 420 foot-pounds torque. And he was a winner.
Yeah, obviously.
Right?
Yeah.
Multiple races.
Yeah. That was the unicorn engine, wasn't it?
It was one of the unicorn. There was like two of them, but
yeah.
I mean, me and your brother actually started off being partners in leasing him and Barry an engine. And that was like super unicorn motor, but like, he won with like 420 horsepower and he won with 380, but all of them had the torque. So to me, it's everything is about torque. If you produce torque, you're going to win races in this division.
Yes. Yes. Great quote.